I submit that my business is dependent on my daily input. I will in all probability have to close down my business down if I am not released on bail. Section 60, subsection 4, paragraph C. Paragraph 34, I respectfully submit there is no chance of any interference of any nature. I'm informed that relevant witness statements have already been obtained. I'm informed that the matter emanates from an alleged incident in 2019. Therefore, the investigation should have been completed a long time ago. 35, I will refrain from interfering with any of the state witnesses. Section 60, subsection 4, paragraph D. I submit that my release on bail will not undermine or jeopardize the objectives of the proper functioning of the justice system. I've not supplied any false information in this matter, and there is no indication in my past conduct to show that I will not comply with any of the bail conditions. Section 60, subsection 4, paragraph E. I submit that there are no exceptional circumstances present to indicate that my release will disturb the public order or undermine public peace or security. Roman law 7, out section 60, paragraph 9, or subsection 9, prejudice, the applicant is likely to suffer if bail is denied. Paragraph 39, conditions prevailing in prison are not conducive for human use. I will be unable to comprehensively consult with my legal representatives and will be prejudiced in the preparation of my defense and my subsequent trial. I submit that I will be severely prejudiced should bail be refused. I respectfully submit that my children are in desperate need of my physical and emotional support. They are traumatized by my incarceration. My incarceration has placed an immense emotional burden on my family. Due to my mother's age, she is unable to care for my children and their respective and specific needs.